Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to contact Revolut customer support. So in order to do this, what you need to do is you need to simply come to revolut.com. Now once you are on the Revolut's website, you just have to scroll down and keep on scrolling down until you come in the bottom where you will be able to see the help section. So you need to click on contact us and then you will be landed on their contact us page. Over here you can either visit the in-app chat, so it will redirect you in your application where you can start chatting with them and you can have your problem resolved. In the second method, you can visit the help center and here you will be able to see a bunch of different articles that are provided by Revolut to answer your questions. Now, if you don't want to use any of these methods and if you want to directly mail Revolut team, then this is their email ID, that is support@revolut.com. So if you have any query, then you can simply contact them on this email address. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.